this is Tanu from Standard 8 and today I am here to discuss about an interesting topic and do an activity based on the area of circle. So the main objective of this activity is that this activity give a suggestive demonstration of the formula that area of circle is equal to the product of its half of its circumference and radius. So this activity can be done by two methods, by Kohling methods and by paper cutting methods. So here we will do this activity by paper cutting and pasting method. So first of all, the material required in this activity are a white chart paper, sketch pen, pencil, cardboard and etc. So the prerequisite knowledge of this activity is the concept of a circle, area of a circle, circumference of a circle, concept of a rectangle, area of a rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle and sector of a rectangle. So next one is procedure. For another candidate of this activity named Arushi Raj, she will show you the procedure of this activity.
Hello everyone, I am here to show the procedure of this activity. Firstly, we have to draw a circle with a suitable radius by using a compass. Here is a circle, I have already drawn it. Now we will fold it along one of its diameter to form a semicircle. Here is the semicircle. We will fold it once again and we will find out that there are quarters formed. Now we will repeat this activity 2 times more. Now we will press this paper so that prominent creases can be formed. Now we will unfold the circle. Here. Now we can see that 16 equal small sectors has been formed. Now we will color 8 sectors with another color and another 8 sectors with different color. Here you can see it. Now we will cut all of these sectors and paste it on a rectangular board. Here is it. We will arrange this as 15 plus 2, that is 17. And now for further knowledge, I would like to call another candidate, Tanu, for more knowledge.
So here we can observe that this arrangement of a small sector of circle looks like a rectangle. So as we all know that a rectangle have a length and breadth. So here we will use half of the circumference of the circle as the length and we will use breadth of the radius of the circle as the breadth. So anyone know what is the formula of circumference of the circle?
Yeah, 2 pi r.
Yes, 2 pi r. Then we will find here the area of this circle, the area of this rectangle. So anyone know what is the formula of area of rectangle?
Length into breadth.
Yes, length into breadth. So here we will use half of the circumference of the circle, 2 pi r into radius as the breadth. The conclusion of this activity is that the result is pi r square. So the learning outcomes is that the students will learn that the area of a circle is equal to the half of the product of its circumference and the radius. So that's all. Thanks.
Thank you everyone.